Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all the top 3 stocks that y'all should be keeping in your watch list for next week. I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions for those of y'all who dropped those stocks of interest in the comment section of our last video. Alright, now before we begin, do not forget to annihilate the like button on your way in, and also do not forget to click on that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. So let's begin right off the bat. We're gonna go straight to the points. All right. Now, the first stock that y'all should be keeping in your watch list for next week. That stock is AAL. All right. Now, AAL had a massive day on Friday, and it also looks really bullish for this specific reason. First off, it's bouncing off of the previous level of support right over here. All right. Next up, if we move deep into the image and we go into the 30-minute, yeah, the 30-minute will do. We resume into the 30-minute and we look at it like that. There is a clear and obvious flag on here. There is a bull flag on the chart. Is right here, is really clean, and it broke out on Friday right over here, especially after I think it was CCL that had earnings Friday morning. I think it was, yeah. So we had earnings and also the market rallied, and this thing is good for a potential long. Definitely watch this one for a move up to $15, maybe $14.90. All right, and then it's gonna start slowing down, but I think it might hit 15, maybe. I might be a little bit off, but somewhere around $15 is where I think this thing is gonna start to just chill out. All right, so definitely watch this one for a potential long. So that's the first one. The second one that y'all should be keeping in your watch list for next week, that one is KWEB. All right. And the reason why I want to share this one with y'all is because of this. If we go onto the 4 hour and you zoom in right over here, right there, you can see that there is an ascending triangle, a very bullish structure that pays a lot, especially when things work well. All right, it's right there. And then it broke out on Friday. All right, so definitely watch this one for a long, all the way up to maybe 35, 50, maybe $36. How long will it take to get there? I'm not sure. It could take, it could just chill out and then get there on Wednesday, or it could just jump over the weekend and open up at 36. And then if that happens, then the perspective changes, because it will be good for sure. Obviously, the people who got it here on that day will be looking to literally take all of the profits and watch this thing just fade all day. All right. If that doesn't happen, then watch it for a potential run to $36. It really depends on how we get there. The structure is clean though. I like it. Therefore, it is good enough for me to share this one in today's video. All right, now the last stock that y'all should be keeping in your watch list for next week, that stock is CAT, Caterpillar. All right, now this one right here, long-term investors might love this one. I think y'all would. All right, and the reason why is at this previous level right here, right in this region between 180 and 190. The last time it got there, it went up huge. All right, now will it do the same thing this time around? Maybe, maybe not. All right, but I want to share this one with y'all for obviously Monday, maybe even Tuesday. All right, how fast will it get up here? There's a lot of gaps that it left behind on its way back down. Right, it did the same thing over here, and that got filled very quickly, especially after it reached the bottom. Will it happen? Maybe. But there is a bullish harami on here, which to me signifies that Monday Monday could look pretty nice for the stock. Like Monday, we could see this thing actually. You can see this thing open up here and immediately just run all the way up above what $192. All right, Tuesday it may have a little bit of a move up before it experiences some turbulence, right? Maybe it will slow down a bit and then later on they will decide whether these ones will get filled or not. But this one highly likely, the one all the way up here, I don't know about that. Like the market is gonna have to really push. The Dow Jones is also gonna have to really make an effort in order for the money to also flow into Caterpillar to move it all the way up there. But watch it for a move up to like 193. I like the structure on here, and it's that previous level of support. Also, as you can see, it ran and then flatlined, and it looks like it wants to run again. All right, so that's the third stock that y'all should be keeping in your watch list. Now, you guys always ask some wonderful questions. So the first one that we're going to tackle, we're going to look at PBF. Yeah. All right, now PBF, obviously tough luck on Friday. It didn't quite follow the market. The stock was actually negative on the day on Friday. Let's see on the daily charts. I think it's not, well, like it may do a little bit of a dead cat bounce, but there's a lot of room right here. Like there is a ton of room between $29 and $24, right? So we got this level of support right here. Short sellers might not be done with this one. I don't think they're done. So Monday, Tuesday, it may look like this, right? But I don't think it's going to last. I think it's just gonna slowly make its way all the way back down to $25. I think. I don't see a huge rebound coming soon for this stock. All right, so that's my honest thoughts on this one. The next one that we're going to look at, this one is actually going to be an update. For those of y'all who watched it was Monday night's video. I'm gonna pin it right here. All right, that way I can see it. I told y'all that long-term investors love KO. All right, they love the stock. I drew it out for you guys, as you can see. My drawings are still on there. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Textbook. They love this thing. And I told y'all to watch it for a move up to 20 to 60 $62.50. And right now it's at 63. Could it go higher? Maybe. All right. But I'm pretty sure the people who got in here, especially the traders, may want to take their money at like we want to take a lot of the profits off the table at around $64. And then this thing is going maybe might go sideways for a little bit. All right, but I told y'all, KO is it's really strong even during massive downtrends. Long-term investors like to put their money in here. The company also pays decent dividends, right? So congratulations to anybody who was able to make some money on KO. All right, now the last one that we're going to address. This one is also a recap for those of y'all who watched Friday's pre-market analysis video. This one I also give it to y'all in the morning. I told y'all to watch this one for a move up to 390 because of this ascending triangle on the chart. It jumped up, all right, at 380, and then it ran in the afternoon and went up to like 386. It's almost at 390, but I think it can do better. I think that it can go up to 395, maybe even tease 400 before it starts slowing down. All right, so if you're in this, congratulations. Hopefully you're making good money on it. All right, it was a very simple and easy trade to share. So Monday, just don't be too greedy on the stock. All right, so that is my honest thoughts on all of these stocks, and that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to annihilate the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, helps the channel a lot and allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are new to the channel and you haven't done so already, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on these uploads. All right. If you'd like to be part of a private Discord community and get all of the details of the contracts that I buy and the plays that I find in real time, you can find that as the first link in the description of the video below. If you haven't added me on social media yet, you can find me at Paul Nguma at PATTERNOLOGY LAB on Instagram and on Twitter. Alright. And lastly, if all of this is brand new to you, if you'd like to get started in the stock market and not miss out on these opportunities, I left some very basic step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 10 to 15 minutes for you to have all the tools you need to get started immediately. You can also get some free stocks after signing up with Webull using the third link in the description of the video below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Nguma with PATTERNOLOGY LAB, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video.